It's the first sunny day we've had in Michigan in a long time, and I needed to do some spring cleaning because I've been looking out the windows all day long and they're just way too dirty. But they're so full of dirt that I wanted to knock the dirt off, you know, before I actually come in and wipe it down or spray it down, because the dirt is just caked on from the winter time. That's why I got my YKYI brush out here. This is the perfect electric spin scrubber brush. It has this long telescoping handle. Of course it's cordless because it's a USB charge. You know, it just charges right here, and I've been charging it all day getting ready to do this. So this thing is fantastic for doing those jobs that you don't want to get up on a ladder for. You just want to make it a quick job and get it done. It just literally does not get better. Plus, you know, if you want to do your car, your boat, your RV, whatever, this spin scrubber brush, this is way more than just a bathroom shower scrubber. I mean, like, this thing is fantastic. This is from YKYI. Look. All these different attachments that you have inside of here for all your different cleaning needs. And there's different, so these are extra brushes here. So like, I'm gonna do the windows too, watch. This is a flat part with like Velcro. And then this is a window sponge cleaner. It's soft so that, you know, it's gonna help get those windows. And all you do is pull this part off and push this part on right here. And there you have it. Now I can do the glass. And then when you're done with your brushes, you have a bag to put them in once you rinse it off and dry. So, you know, you don't have to carry the box around or anything like that. And then look at this. Look at how I can just clean the window. And then I'll just be able to spray it down. I definitely recommend one of these scrubber brushes. This is going to tackle all of your spring cleaning needs, and plus you get to be outside and enjoy the sun. Like, it's a win-win situation.